Hey guys, I'm the owner of this game, and I'm gonna show you how to install the game. First, I'm gonna go to let me show you who's the owner, because I did make this game. Got Project Pro. Here, right here, I'm the owner. I got a code. That's me. Right here, that's me.
Where'd you run to?
So this is me right here. He has working servers. This is my game, and please join my Discord for updates. And don't forget, I'm gonna show you how to install. Okay, we're gonna go to mountains to sit. Alright, so here's how to install. So first, as you can tell,
Where are you walking?
I'm having trouble doing something because it's just saying I had to So here's how you do it. So click, because you see Gorilla Tag. If you have it, click uninstall only, and once you do that, once you do that, you're going to download my game. Link will be in the description. Please download this. Click download, and then once you download it, I'll put the video on this. And then once you download it, if you have mobile VR station, I'll show you. Last one. TDD fast. Join the call.
Okay.
So if you have mobile VR station, got a mobile VR station after you got my game. Then once you do that, okay. So when you add available contents, go to Android Fixes. Go Android Fixes configuration wizard. Show all options. Click configure manage all files. Open files all. And right here, it's just this one. Once you click install, you're good to go. Congratulations. Okay, so congratulations. Looks like you installed my game, Project Tigers. If it says restore, do not click restore. Click close. And once you do that, when you join, click close. So then, once you do that, also this code for staff members, do not join, please. This code. Okay, so once you just install my game, ta-da! You just install my game, Project Pro, and